looking for the right truck to take on challenges of the day-to-day, check out the Ford F-150. With best-in-class available max payload, it can haul your work stuff, haul your toys. And if you need to tow something really heavy, F-150 has a higher available towing capacity than Ram 1500. Whatever you're towing, F-150 makes it easier backing up. It has available technology Ram 1500 doesn't have that helps you see exactly where you're going. And now, for the first time ever, you can get a hybrid version of the F-150 that doubles as an available 7.2 kilowatt mobile generator. Let's see Ram 1500 do that.
Sounds good.
Now, we know Ford trucks are built Ford tough. But with all the new tech that's been added, the 2021 F-150 is just as smart as it is tough.